They say that this tastes like pizza. Subukan natin tong viral 3-ingredient snack. I'm sure nakita nyo na to sa FYP ninyo. Wala akong makitang jalapeno, so we're just using bell pepper. And guys, 100 pesos to. Ang mahal! Tanggalin nyo din yung insides. There you go. Dapat malinis yung loob. For the cream cheese, sabi nila gamitin daw yung spreadable. So, and maglalagay tayo ng cream cheese inside. Parang mauubos ko yung isang buong pack ng cream cheese kasi ang laki na tong bell pepper. Oh my... Okay, try na natin. Paano ba ito kakainin? Ang laki. Try natin with this one. Honestly, for me yung Cheetos, hindi nagmi-mix yung flavor niya. So, try natin sa cheesy. Try ulit natin si Cheetos. Masarap naman siya as a snack, but it doesn't taste like pizza. Parang sinayang ko lang yung bell pepper ko. Hindi ko sasayangin yung bell pepper. Oh my God. Vitamin C.